Teacher Sarah.
Hello, where's Vivian?
Vivian, I'm sorry, teacher. Vivian and my aunt
Oh,
let go to and the younger brother let go to the come home.
they went to the countryside.
Come home.
Hold on, honey. Here. I'm going to chat it, okay?
Behind you is a bridge.
This is the this is the Golden Gate Bridge, honey, in America. Are they away from home? What's that?
Hurt.
What is that one?
My finger is hurt.
Oh no, me too. Me too.
Look,
Yeah, me too, honey. This one too.
it have a cut.
Yeah, it has a cut too. Mine too. Teacher too. Look. Look at teachers. Honey, I have a question here in the chatting box. Look.
Yes.
Yeah.
It come
Where did they
home.
go? Where did they go?
They go come home.
Come home? Uh, but what is the name of the place, honey? What is the name of the place? Here. Here.
It a come home.
Okay. I see. I see, honey. Come home? That's the name of
Yes.
the place? Come home. Come home, Vietnam.
Home.
Home. Can you type it, honey? Can you type it in the chatting box, please? Do you miss them, Duke?
Yes.
Do you miss Vivian?
Yes.
Oh, why didn't you go with them?
You are sea people. And what was the dirt
The?
in the fable?
Honey, are they going to celebrate New Year there?
Yes. He
Ah,
cut up the fish. His body is dirt. It's
yeah. I saw it. Here. I saw
fable.
it, honey.
Fable.
Kian, right? Kian
Yes.
got some fish. Look at Kian. We will watch the video, honey. Okay, wait.
Wait.
I will show you the video. I will show you the video. Hold on for a while. I will search your aunt and then let's watch her video. Take a look. Look at here. Look at that. Here's Vivian.
Thì đối với em là đóa hoa đẹp nhất.
Yeah.
Như những tia nắng đẹp thơ.
And then look at Vivian. Who is this?
He is look.
Who is this,
He
honey?
brother. He is brother.
Brother of Vivian?
Yes.
What? Really? So
Yes.
so Vivian has a big brother, a cousin or a brother? Is it a cousin, honey?
Look, it's dirt.
Có phải là họ hàng không?
Yes.
I see. Is it also your cousin?
Đó cũng là
Yes.
anh, chị họ của bạn phải không?
Yes, you are visit it have a video.
Yeah. Let's watch. Look at Kian.
Where?
Look at Kian. Oh no. And then Vivian and
Wait.
Kian. Look at Kian. Oh
Keo
no.
gì mà cái keo gì ở dưới á? Keo lên đây.
Wait.
Lên đây nào. Bò lên
Wait.
cái thạch với bẩn đây này. Hả?
Ăn cơm xong
Áo bác gì đó. Keo gì mà.
Kian got very, very. Oh
Look,
my
this is the
goodness.
video. You are first in
Honey, is this a rice field?
Đây có phải là ruộng lúa không?
Yes.
Ah,
I might see the video.
you want to see the video? Which one? This? What are they doing?
Kéo mới đó.
Honey, I have a question for you, Duke. Why didn't you go with them?
Tại
No.
sao bạn không đi cùng họ?
Not my type.
Is it
Not
your family
my
too?
couple.
Gia đình bạn cũng vậy à?
No, not my couple.
I see. It's not your hometown. I see, honey. I got it. Okay, I understand, my dear. Okay, so do you miss Vivian and Kian? Do you miss them?
Yes.
Really?
This
And then,
nice person is so funny. It has
No.
dirt to the body.
yeah, he has a lot of dirt here. Look at that. Okay, anyway, honey. Look, tomorrow is the New Year's Eve. New Year, right? Yeah. And then, are you going to celebrate, Duke? Are you going to
Yes.
celebrate? Yeah? No, you're not. Okay, I see. I am going to celebrate with my family only.
Friday, my sisters and younger let go here.
Ah, they will be back there on Friday. I see, honey. So, that's a water. Me, I am drinking coffee. Okay. Anyway, honey, we are now going to continue with our lesson, okay?
Yes.
Okay, Duke? Okay, so now we are going to have this one.
Wait, teacher.
Mm.
I was in the yellow. I was here. The baby and said, "Yeah, I not in the class for you."
She's happy? She is happy that she is absent from the class?
Yes.
She said, yay, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, but she will be back on Friday, so she will have the class with me this coming Friday too. She will be back on Friday, so I am just happy, Duke, that you're not absent. But I miss Vivian. I also miss Vivian, honey. I wish she is here, but I think she's enjoying her time there. But I really miss Vivian. Okay. Anyway, honey, teacher is now going to share the screen and we're going to have our new lesson now. Are you ready, Duke?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I am. One more time.
Yes, I am.
Very good. Yes, I am. Yes, I'm ready.
Yes,
Okay.
I am. Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so right now, honey, we're going to have this one. So as you can see here, okay, as you can see here, honey, we have this lesson 15.1. Hold on, honey. Wait. Okay, so this one, honey, this lesson is all about actions. One more time, can you say actions?
Actions.
Very good. We are now going to talk about actions or
Hành động.
hành động. Okay.
Wait, teacher. Today my mom is let go to the work. Tomorrow my mom is let go here. I was with my uncle.
Ah, are you? Oh my goodness. Are you alone right now?
Hiện giờ bạn có đang ở một mình không?
No, I was my uncle. The morning my uncle is let go work.
Ah,
At afternoon my uncle let go home. Now morning I was with the house with my friend.
so you are with your uncle right now. You are with your uncle, honey. Yeah?
Morning my uncle is not here. I was in my friend.
Mm.
At
Ah,
afternoon my uncle is let go here.
mm. But later on, honey, later your uncle will be there, right? Your uncle will be, I mean, your mom will be there later. Yeah? Is she going to be there later? Will she be
Yes.
there? Okay, I see. I see, honey. Anyway, now, honey, we are going to have our next lesson, which will be the lesson 15.1. We're going to have the lesson, which is all about actions. But, honey, we are going to have this one again when Vivian is back.
Chúng ta sẽ lại có buổi này khi Vivian trở lại.
Okay?
Yes.
All right. That's great. Okay? Now, let's move forward to this one, honey.
Run.
Look,
Okay. Oh,
she happy.
what is that?
She happy.
I don't have like that one, honey, but I have this. I have this one. It hurts. It hurts a lot. I don't like it. I don't really like it. What is that? A fan.
Run.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, we have here the first one, honey, which is the run. Okay, what is the boy doing? What is the boy doing?
Run.
Running.
Running.
Running. Okay, honey. Here, I'm going to teach you. Okay, you said the boy is running. Boy is- Hold on, I will type it here, honey. Okay, wait for a while. But anyway, Duke, did you go to school today?
Yes, I went
Ah.
to school.
How about Vivian? I think Vivian didn't go to school today, right?
No.
Oh, she is absent from school. I see, honey. Okay, the boy is
Teacher. My
your
my sister is come. Nobody come out play.
what?
Again,
honey?
Vivian come home. Nobody come out play.
Ah, really? I see, honey. Okay. All right, we have here this one.
One girl play with me.
Really? Ah, so you have a
Name is
neighbor.
E.
You have a neighbor. It's a neighbor, honey. It is your
E.
neighbor. E. Ah, yeah. The girl that I saw last time. That's E, right? Yeah. Okay, honey, you say the boy is running.
The boy is running.
Yeah, it's not the boy is run. Here. Because this one is present continuous. Okay, this one is wrong. Okay. Because, honey, the boy is still running. Because we are talking about the present. Present. Here.
Vì chúng ta đang nói về hiện tại.
Okay. The boy is still running.
Cậu bé
The
vẫn
boy
đang
is
chạy.
running.
So you add ing to the word run.
Vậy nên bạn thêm ing vào từ run.
ing.
Okay, the boy is running. One more time. The boy is running.
The boy is running.
Very good, honey. Do you know how to run? Do you know how to run? Can you run? Honey, I'm not asking you to run. I said, can you run? You're just going to say, yes, I can. No, I can't.
Yes, I can.
Very good. Okay. Do you run fast or you run slow? Do you
Fast.
run fast? You say, I run fast.
I run fast.
Very good.
Yeah. Later, I running. You can see me or not?
No. I can see you a little bit, but you're so fast. You run so fast. Okay. Anyway, honey, let's move forward now to the next one. Okay, we have here, what is this? What do you think is this one, honey?
Walking.
Very good. This one is walking or
walk,
walk.
Walk.
Walk. Okay. What is the message? Oh my goodness. Like this. Running. Walk. Okay. Anyway, honey, so we have here this one, my dear. How do you say it? The man is
The man is
walking. Very good. The man is walking.
walking.
Walking. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Running.
Stop.
Wow,
Stop.
you know that song. Wow, that's great. Okay. Anyway, honey, again, one more time. This word is walk. The man is
The man is
walking.
walking.
Honey, you add ing, okay? The man, you said the man is walk. But the man is walking right now. So you say the man is walking. Okay? Honey, say it. The man is walking.
Look at that man walking.
Okay. All right, honey. Again, one more time. The man is
walking.
honey. When we say is, okay. What is this word, honey? What is this
The
word?
man is walking.
Yeah. When we say is, the verb needs ing. When you use this word, honey, you have to add ing to the verb. Okay? The man is walking. Not the man is walking.
Man
Is walking. Okay, again, one more time. How about this? The man is
running.
very good. Okay, the man is running. The man is running. Because we have the word is here. We have the word is. So, for the word run, we need to add ing. The man is running. Thank you so much, honey. Now,
walk,
after that one, here. Can you walk, honey? Can you walk?
Yes, I can walk.
Very good. Do
Why
you
did
walk? Yes, very good, honey. Great job. The man is walking, 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 walking. Hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 walking. Okay, anyway, honey, do you walk to school? Do you walk to school? You
No.
say, no, I don't.
No, I don't.
Very good. Then how do you go to school? How do you go to school?
My uncle drive
Ah, the
I don't know. I
the
don't know this.
motorbike? Motorbike?
Yes.
Ah, okay, you say my uncle drives the motorbike.
My uncle ride a Toyota bike.
Okay. Okay, anyway, honey, let's move forward to the next one. We have here the word. What do you think is this? What is this word?
Climb.
Very good.
Climb.
Again, climb. Okay?
Climb.
Climb. The people are, what are these? The dogs, honey? Are they dogs?
The dog.
The dogs are the dogs are
The dogs are. Wait, gì cho ai?
okay.
Teacher.
Climb. But we have the word are. The dogs are
Teacher. The dog climb the mountain.
honey. You are going to say climbing. Okay? The dogs. But how many?
It is a mountain.
Yes, very good. That one, honey, is a mountain. Mountain. Okay?
Mountain.
Very good. Okay, anyway, honey, how many dogs do you see? How
I
many
see
dogs?
2 dogs.
Very
Ma-
good.
Son.
Honey,
Mother
what?
and
Yes, the mother and the son. You are now going to say the dogs are climbing on the mountain.
the dog are climbing on the mountain.
Very good. You don't say the dogs are climb, okay? You just say the dogs are climbing. Okay? Okay. Okay. All right, now let's move forward to my question. Oh. Honey, can you climb? Can you
Yes.
climb? Very good. You say, yes, I can.
Yes, I can. Look
There.
here.
Oh no, be careful, dog. Be careful. You need to be careful, honey. Be careful. You might fall.
Oh no.
What's that?
I'm gonna. What's this?
Rice. That's rice. Oh, what's that? Ah, okay. So that's a rice dispenser, honey. Wait for a while. I'm going to translate.
Rice have spider web.
Is that a rice dispenser?
Đó
Yes.
có phải là máy phân phối gạo không?
Yes. In this have a spider web.
Oh no! But do you still eat the rice inside that?
No,
Vẫn còn ăn phần
Into
cơm bên
my-
trong đó.
into my not new house.
Ah, so you have a new house. You have a new
Mm.
house, honey.
No, not a new house.
Ah, okay, I understand. You have a separate, how do I say that one? A separate box for your rice. Yeah.
It's by that I put you. My iPad. You can see my house. Not where has medicine.
Really? Honey, I have a question for you. Do you live together with Vivian?
Bạn sống chung với ai?
With Vivian? Hold on. Yeah?
It's not news. It's a new. It's not new. New.
Sống chung
It
với
have here.
Vivian không?
Yes.
But you have separate houses.
Nhưng các bạn có nhà riêng.
Yes.
Ah,
This
Vivian's family built a new
Vivian.
house.
Gia đình
But
Vivian đã
not-
xây một ngôi nhà
not
mới.
in this. It's Vivian not in this. It's into the house. It's tonight. Vivian want this walking into new house and sleep here in aunt.
Ah, I see, honey. And do you miss them? Do you miss your aunt? Oh. I will just tell your aunt that you miss Vivian, okay? And Kian. I'm so sad for you, honey, that you miss them. I miss them too.
Vivian is happy.
Oh yeah, they're happy. How about you? Are you happy? Are you also happy? Are you happy? Honey?
No.
You're not why not? Why aren't you happy?
Vivian
Why
not
aren't-
here.
Oh, I am so sad for you, honey, that you're I will just tell your aunt, okay? That you're feeling sad. I miss Vivian too. Oh, I really miss Vivian too.
Tôi cũng rất nhớ Vivian.
But don't cry. Are you crying? Okay, anyway, honey, can you climb a tree? Look,
Yes.
can you climb? You climb a tree! Wow! What's that? Honey, be careful! You might fall! No! Calm down! Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Anyway, can you climb a mountain? You say yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
You don't feel scared? You don't feel scared at all?
What color?
This one. Do you feel scared? Here.
Bạn có cảm thấy sợ hãi không?
Korea. Say that again.
Yeah, I got it here.
Bạn có cảm thấy sợ hãi? Bạn có cảm thấy sợ hãi không?
When climbing to a mountain here.
Bạn có cảm thấy sợ hãi khi leo núi không?
Yes.
Yeah. You say yes, I do, teacher. I feel scared. I feel scared. Very good. Great job, honey. Now, let's move forward to the next one. Okay, let's go to the next one, honey. We have here the word. What is this word? Oh, what's that, Duck? What's that one? That's a cake. That one is a cake. Oh. You're making me hungry now. You are making me hungry now. I am hungry now. Oh no. Okay, anyway, honey, what is this word?
Why are you not drink cafe?
It's finished, honey. It's finished. It's all gone now. I'm done drinking it.
You are why to me in yes.
But I have water here. I have lots of water
Drink.
here, honey. What? But it's not cold anymore. It's not cold.
You are why to me have the water.
What? What, honey?
You
Can you
are
say it
why to me.
What?
You why to me and you burst the water in you and now you are cut the foot.
Honey, I don't understand. I don't understand what you're saying. I don't
You
understand
are
what you're saying.
waiting and little to now and cut the foot.
Ah, okay. I see, honey. Anyway, let's cut that one out and let's have this one, honey. What is the man doing? What is the man in the picture doing? The man is, how do you say it? The man is,
No.
okay. One more time. You say the man is, huh? How do you say it in complete sentence? The man is, huh?
Teacher,
Hmm.
said Mehmet.
Okay. You want to write it? Are you going to write it?
Faster.
Okay.
Not a minute.
Huh?
Faster.
Yeah, we just have 7 minutes, honey. Okay, anyway, what is the man doing? The man is?
The man is hot.
Are you sure? But you have, honey, you have the word is. The man is
The man is hot.
top. You have the word is, honey, so you have to add ing to the verb. So instead of saying the man is hop, you're going to say the man is hopping.
The man is hopping.
Very good. The man is hopping. You don't say the man is hop, okay? When your sentence has an is, honey, okay, you just have to add ing to the verb. Okay? Okay? For example, a while ago you said the man is run. It shouldn't be like that. You should say the man is running. Okay? Again, let's have this
Yeah.
one.
Are you less in a coffee?
Huh?
Coffee?
Again. Say it again.
Coffee.
Surfing?
Coffee?
Honey, I don't understand. I don't understand what you're saying because you're
Are you left
the word.
Are you left a coffee?
Juvie? Juvie. What is juvie, honey? What is that? What is juvie? Huh? What is juvie, honey? What is juvie? City? Can you write it? Sophie. Honey, I don't understand what you're saying. I don't understand what you're saying, honey. Can you try to translate it? Can you translate it, please? Or write it here. Write it. Yeah, try to write it there. Write it. Honey, we just have 4 minutes left.
Right.
Okay. Are you live in Chope? No, I don't live in Chope. I am not from Vietnam. I'm not from Vietnam, honey. I am from the Philippines. So I live in the Philippines, honey. Yeah, I don't live in Philippines. Okay? All right. Mm-hmm. Again?
Jump.
Okay. We have here this word, honey. We have the word
It's
jump. Very good. We have here the word.
It's jumping.
Very good. The girl is jumping. Great job. Okay. Very good, duh. Okay. So now, honey, do you know how to jump? Or can you jump? Can you jump, honey?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can. Very good. Are you sure that's jumping? I think that one is hopping. I think you are hopping right now. You're not actually jumping. Yes, that one is jumping. Okay, great job, honey. Thank you so much, my dear. Now, let's move forward to the next one, honey. Let us move forward to the
Skip.
next one. We have here the word. What is this word?
The dog is skipping.
Very good.
Skip.
The dog is okay. The dog is skipping.
The dog is skipping.
Okay, very good. Okay. Honey, do you know how to skip? Do you know how to skip? Do you know how to skip? Skip, 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 skip. Skip, 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 skip. Do you know how to skip? Skipping, skipping, skipping. What are you doing? Oh, wow. Okay. You're so much fun to be with, Duck.
Not a
Oh.
minute.
Okay. What, honey? Huh?
Not a minute.
Yeah, we don't have enough time anymore, honey. So teacher is now going to say goodbye to you. Thank you so much, honey.
Goodbye,
Yeah,
teacher.
honey, you have to remember that if the sentence has is, you have to add ing to the word. A while ago you said the boy is run. It's not right. You're going to say the boy is running. Okay? Thank you so much, honey. Love you, Duke.
สวัสดีเจ้า